Layla's jamming out to this one. Hey, everybody, welcome back to Morning No. Well, sad news. Divorce attorneys around the country are seeing a spike in business right now, so we looked into why.
January is known in the family law world as divorce month because people are coming out of the holidays, which can be a very stressful and hectic time.
Family law attorney Abby Gregory says the holidays aren't the only reason people file for divorce in January. It's also about self-improvement.
They feel motivated to file for divorce or, dissolve the marriage that they believe is not working.
MarketWatch shows an uptick of almost 27%, a number Abby's office feels.
Staff in my law firm field the most new client calls on January 2nd.
Attorney Eric Beal, founder of Beal Law Firm, says these divorces might have been in the works for a while.
More often than not, it's people who've decided that they were going to get divorced in the previous year, and then they just put it off until they get into January.
If you do find yourself in a situation where you're thinking about ending your marriage, Eric has one main piece of advice.
Talk to a competent attorney and at least find out how the system works.
And while friends and family might be there for you emotionally, you might be best not taking their divorce advice.
Well-meaning people can do you a lot of harm. There is an incredible amount of misinformation that's out there.
And if you think getting a divorce means you'll automatically be happy, that might not be the case.
Based on my experience, a divorce doesn't solve all of your problems. It trades one set of problems for another set of problems.
So Americans spend more than $30 billion on divorces each year. So Gary, I think the theories we had were Valentine's Day is coming up, so couples divorce. I think we can say that's not true.
Trash that one.
And then somebody just brought up that maybe you stay together as a couple or a family through the holidays.
Sure.
And then once that time is over, new year, new you, clean break.
Hey, what's
maybe
your resolution? To be single again. Thanks. I mean, it makes sense though, right? And no one, I'm sure it happens. People wake up one day and they're like, you know what, I'm not happy, but it's got to be a trickle-down effect, right? Months and months leading up to that.
It better be. I would hope a divorce is not just a trigger decision that you make. So.
$30 billion, keeping those lawyers busy and well paid.